Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. As you guys have probably already read from the title, we are today going to try out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette in Sultry that has just launched. I got this today and I was so excited about it. It is so pretty and I'm like, I just want to put it on my face right now, which I did. So this is how it looks, and I have used this palette today. I've also used some of the new liquid lipsticks and lip glosses, and show you guys this is the third lip that I tried. And yeah, that is it. If you want to see all of that, then just keep watching. Alright, I know that a lot of you guys really like to see the entire look being done, so I'm gonna go through the base and all of that kind of quickly, and then I'm gonna give the new products more time. So I've already primed my face with the Red Coral base primer from Emit. That is my all-time favorite. It is very moisturizing and really good together with the new NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Concealer. No. Foundation. I have it in the shade 02 Alabaster. As you guys can see, I am pale. So I'm gonna put this on. And I have a first impression on this if you want to see it. And also wear test if you want to check it out. And I'm just gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. And then, of course, some Shape Tape concealer. And this is in the lightest shade called Fair. I'm going to highlight and cover my dark circles. I'm gonna put some on my nose, this pimple, and my chin. And now we're gonna use some close-up powder from Nabla. And I'm just going to set the places where I put the concealer. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender to push it in. To contour and bronze, I'm gonna use my favorite contour kit from Kat Von D. My nose contour might look a little bit too harsh right now, but it is going to look better when I've highlighted and all of that. Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Radient Blush Kit. It is one of my favorites at the moment. I've been using it so much. And I'm gonna use this shade called Terrace. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use it on my cheekbone, under my brow, and also right here on the sides of my forehead. I'm also gonna use on my nose bridge, tip of the nose, and a little bit right here. Cupid's bow and chin. And that's it. So pretty much all over my face. I absolutely love this highlighter, but I'm so pale right now, so I'm thinking I want something a little bit more bright. So for that, I'm gonna use the new Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in How Many Carats? And it is pretty much bright white. So I'm just gonna layer that a little bit on top. For my brows, I am gonna go in with a natural shade today and not green. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown, and then the Neve Cosmetics Brow Gel in London Ash. And now the star of the show, the Sultry Eyeshadow Palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look how gorgeous this is. I love the glitter packaging. And it's just the most amazing glitter, I think. For those of you that are already in this makeup world, you probably already know about the other eyeshadow palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that they are usually this like velvety material. But this one is pure glitter all over and also in the back. And this is how it looks inside. Oops. So these are all of the shades in the palette. It is looking gorgeous as always. My first impressions when I received this today is that it is very beautiful. Although it's not like a palette that I'm like screaming of using. Like it's not like I'm jumping up and down, but it's nice. I don't really know what the difference is comparing this one to Soft Glam. Soft Glam is a little bit more warm tone, I think. I'm not saying like it is the same shades or anything, but I think it's very neutral. And Soft Glam is also very neutral, but I'm very excited about it still. Everything that Anastasia Beverly Hills launches, I am excited about. I have a problem. I'm gonna start off with this shade called Birch, and I'm gonna put this in my crease. If you've already seen all of my other videos with the other palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, you probably already know this and have heard me say this, but Anastasia's eyeshadows are very powdery. I just dipped into this shade called Birch, and as you guys can see, it is a little bit of fallout. And a lot of people on the internet has bashed Anastasia for this, but personally, I don't care about it. Like, I just dust off the excess on my brush and then use it, and there's no fallout on my face. Although some people think it's weird, but for me, I like it because then it means that it's super pigmented. But yeah, just so you guys know, it is still the kind of same eyeshadow texture. I'm also going to use it underneath my eyes and blend it out. To darken the outer corner and also underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go in with Dystopian and also a little bit of Noir. Start with the shade Dystopian and use this more in the crease to really make it a super sultry look. Sexy. This is actually perfect because I'm going on a date after this, so yeah. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit and then I'll add the black. Before I go in with the lid shade, I am gonna go in with the Flash Crayon in Auva from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this in my waterline. I normally don't like to put dark shades in my waterline because I think it closes up my eye a lot, but I do also think that it looks very sultry when you do this, so like that. And now I need to choose what kind of lid shade I should have, and you guys know I love golds. I love them so much, but I'm thinking I should do silver just because I never really do. You know what? I'm actually going to go in with this shade called Rose Quartz. If I can't choose between gold and silver, let's do something in between. And that is so beautiful. Do we like that, or should I have gone in with silver? You know what? Let's put on this on the other eye and then put silver on top. Sorry, but I cannot make up my mind. I'm gonna go in with Cyborg on top. And let's blend these together a little bit. I'm gonna go in with Cyborg again with a tinier brush. And I'm also going to layer this in the inner corner. I want to use as many shades as possible, so I think I want to go in with Pearl and not only highlight my brow bone but also like my nose and stuff like that, just to get this look like uber glam and sexy. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the Cocoa Lashes from Rouge and Rogue. If you are interested, I have a coupon code down below. And then I'm gonna go in with the It Superhero Mascara. To finish off the eyes and also make it a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point on the dot eyeliner. And I'm gonna do 2 dots right here. I wear it like for an everyday sometimes, and I really like the look of it. It just looks a little interesting. I always say that. This look is so interesting, but I really like it. So yeah, let's do it. And these are probably not at all symmetrical, but I don't really care because I'm gonna move and you won't be able to see it. And now for lips, I got 3 of the new lip glosses and 3 of the new liquid lipsticks. I guess at least they are new. I also got all of the new glitters, and I was gonna use this one, but I don't know where to put it. So let's just skip that. You guys know how I feel about metallic lips. So this is the shade My Thai, and it is one of the liquid lipsticks in this metallic formula. Okay, this is the shade My Thai, and as I thought, I really don't like it. So I'm gonna remove it right away. And now for the shade Phantom. Oh my god, these smells so good. I know I said I don't really like metallic lips, but this is gorgeous. Although these kind of metallic liquid lipsticks are so not forgiving when it comes to us that overline our lips, because you can see exactly where my natural lip line is. I also have these lip glosses called Citrine and Diamond. I'm just gonna use one on the top and one on the bottom, and that is actually really pretty. And now this is the shade Diamond. Okay, honestly, this actually do look very cool, but I'm gonna change it for our final look. I'm looking like a Christmas tree, I'm thinking. For the last lip option, I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite nude lipstick. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Hollywood. So I think I will go for this at least. And then a little bit of Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb lip gloss. I love this gloss so much. And you guys know I don't even like gloss.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the wall.
Alright, so the look is done. I am not 100 on the lips. And also I think it's a lot because of my hair. I feel like it's kind of hard to match colors when you have this kind of hair. So I will probably actually change my hair like this week or next. So follow me on Instagram if you wanna vote for my next hair color. But just a quick note on the Sultry palette. I love the look of it, and the shades are just as gorgeous and pigmented and easy to blend and just really good, like the other palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills and all the eyeshadows that they have. I absolutely love them. They are super pigmented, so maybe not for someone that has just started with makeup, but for a pro like me. I really like the pigmentation of it and the texture and all of it. Probably the only con is that it's not a palette that as I said in the beginning, I wasn't like super excited about it because I've seen these shades before, and for someone that loves color, like this or the soft glam is kind of like the same. I'm not really sure which one I like the most. But I still really like it, and I'm so excited to have this in my collection because actually the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette is the eyeshadow palettes that I go for pretty much every single day when I'm doing my makeup for just an everyday. I go for the soft glam or modern renaissance usually, and now I have this in the collection that I can use as well. I really hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video, and like and subscribe. I forgot that. Bye guys.